Hey, let's look at number 20 in section 3.2. It's a real quick one, really short, but kind of confusing for some students. Let capital R be a variable and lowercase r be a constant. Okay, so in algebra and calculus as well, variables, if they're capitalized versus lowercase, not necessarily the same thing. So be careful. I know some students, when they see lowercase r, they'll just write as capital R. You got to be careful in this problem, especially, right? They're not the same. So capital R is the variable, lowercase r is a constant. And we're to compute this derivative. Well, what's all this mean? D over D capital R. This is the derivative with respect to capital R. Remember, capital R is the variable. So you can only take derivatives with respect to variables. And we have R, little r to the 6th times big R to the 7th. Remember, little r is a constant. So if I raise a constant to the 6th power, what do I have? A constant. So this is just a constant multiple. I can pull that constant multiple out, and then I take the derivative with respect to capital R of capital R to the 7th, right? Well, that's just power rule. I bring the 7 down, capital R to the what? Subtract 1 from 7, I get 6. So again, if this was d over dx, x to the 7th, we would get 7x to the 6th. We're just replacing, instead of x, we've got capital R as our variable. So I've got r to the 6th, little r to the 6th, times 7 big R to the 6th. So if I clean that up, I get 7 little r to the 6th times big R to the 6th. And that's our derivative. Really simple in what we've done, but it gets a little confusing. So make sure you carefully read any information like this that tells you, if you have more than one letter, right? Is it a variable or is it a constant? And that's important to determine. Okay, hope this clears things up on this one.